हम बात करेंगे बाल गंगाधर तिलक जी के बारे में, जिन्हें हम लोकमान्य तिलक के नाम से भी जानते हैं. And he gave us famous slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Let's talk about his childhood and early life. He was born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Gangadhar Tilak was his father and Parvati Bai was his mother. He was married to Tapi Bai, who was renamed as Satyabhama Bai. His education. He earned his bachelor's degree from Deccan College, Pune in 1877 in Sanskrit and mathematics. Later, he also studied law from Government Law College, Mumbai. Tilak was associated with many associations. Tilak joined International Congress in 1890, but due to difference of opinion, he parted ways with Indian National Congress in 1907. In 1916, he again joined Indian National Congress. Apart from this, he started All India Home Rule League in 1916. He also started Deccan Educational Society in 1884 with college mates Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar and Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. He also organized two important festivals, Ganesh Chaturthi and Shivaji Jayanti, to instill feeling of nationalism in Indians. He was not just confined to associations. He wrote many books and started newspaper. Name of the books written by him: The Orion or Researches into the Antiquity of the Vedas, The Arctic Home in the Vedas, Srimad Bhagavad Gita Rahasya. Tilak founded and edited two newspapers, Kesari in Marathi and Maharatha in English. Tilak was imprisoned on different occasions on sedition charges. What is sedition? Sedition क्या होता है? Preaching dissatisfaction towards government. In 1897, he was imprisoned for 18 months on sedition charges for inciting murder. Again in 1908, he was imprisoned for 6 years, which he spent in Mandle jail, Burma. And there he stayed till 1914, and during his stay there, he wrote Gita Rahasya. Slogan and titles. He gave us famous slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Lala Lajpat Rai of Punjab, Bal Gangadhar Tilak of Maharashtra and Bipin Chandra Pal of Bengal were popularly known as Lal Bal Pal, and together they changed the political discourse of Indian independence movement. British journalist Valentino Tirole called him father of Indian unrest. Jawaharlal Nehru called him father of Indian revolution. Mahatma Gandhi called him the maker of modern India. And people revered him and called him Lokmanya. He tirelessly contributed to help country break from the British rule. And he left for his heavenly abode on 1st August 1920. But people like him never die, they only become immortal.